Hello everyone, today we're diving into the Chefcraft Select Plastic 8-piece measuring set, a must-have for every kitchen enthusiast. This versatile set includes all the essential sizes: 1/4 teaspoon, 1/2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup, and 1 cup, making it perfect for both solids and liquids. Designed with convenience in mind, each piece features a handy clip that keeps all the measuring spoons together, ensuring you never lose a piece. Plus, they nest neatly for easy storage, saving you precious drawer space. Made from durable plastic, these measuring tools are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze after your culinary adventures. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, this set is designed to make your measuring tasks quick and efficient. So, elevate your cooking and baking experience with the Chefcraft Select measuring set and enjoy precise measurements every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.